Hi po, sir. We are from Lyceum of the Philippines, Laguna branch po. We are the first year po and we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Michelle Santa Maria po and here's my members po. Ano pong pangalan po nila?
Ako my name is Lawrence Tuiza. I'm manager trainee sa UCC Clacor po.
Sa Valley branch po na?
Yes po.
Here po. I would like to ask lang po for the background information, which is, can you provide po an overview of the restaurant history, including the name, year, and operation, or any significant milestones po?
Okay. Si UCC Clacor is po siya, isang Japanese restaurant na na-adapt po dito sa Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin po ng UCC is Ueshima Coffee Company. Ueshima is yung pangalan po ng owner ng nasa ibang bansa po. Then yun nga po, na-establish po siya dito sa Pilipinas. Then itong UCC Clockwork New Valley naman po is actually reopen siya. Unang kasi nito open is 2018. 2018, then nag-close po siya ng pandemic. Then noong 2021 naman po, nireopen po siya ng ibang owner po. Iba na po yung nag-handle ng UCC Clockwork po. August 1, 2021, nag-start po ulit si UCC Clockwork local. Then, merong kagandahan naman ngayon, meron na kaming sister company sa silang naman, is UCC Park Cafe naman siya. Ibang concept po siya ng UCC.
So, sa food, naman po tayo? Food flow management. Pwede po ba kayo mag-explain within the establishment yung flow of food po from delivery to serving? Then, ano po yung step to ensure the food safety in each stage po?
Okay, kasi kaming mga managers kasi talaga nag-order ng mga food. Then, galing po siya sa commissary. Then, once na-deliver po siya sa amin, syempre po, ina-check po namin yung quality. Then, syempre po, may expiration date po yung kung tawagin po sa amin is birthday. Kailangan po ensure namin na tama lahat yung label, good quality po yung product bago po namin siya tanggapin.
Okay.
Mabuhay po, sir. I'm Ana Villajego. And ito po yung question is, sa personal hygiene practices po, how does the restaurant import personal hygiene practices among staff members? Are there specific protocols or training programs in place po?
Actually, si UCC meron siyang standard na every 30 minutes may hand wash po kami. Okay. Sa lahat po yon, service, barista, kitchen, even manager po. Every 30 minutes po may hand wash po kami.
Okay po. So next po yung sa supplier selection criteria naman po. What criteria or standards are used when selecting food suppliers? How does the restaurant ensure the safety and quality of ingredients sourced from external vendors po?
For the naman, yung mga supplier namin, meron kaming commissary. Then meron din naman kaming in-order and outdoor ng mga fruit and veggies. Pero syempre, ganoon din, once na nire-receive po namin siya, tinacheck din namin talaga yung quality. Then kung may mga something naman is pinapabalik talaga namin sa supplier. Then pinapalitan naman nila. Ganun kami magano sa mga ingredients mo.
Mabuhay, I'm Denmark Sarmiento. And next question naman po natin ay about sanitation and pest control program. Could you detail the sanitation practices and pest control programs implemented within the restaurant to maintain clean and hygienic environment?
For the namin, yung sanitation, syempre, every night nagsasanitize kami. Meron kasi kaming pre-close na tinatawag. 1 hour pre-close po siya para masanitize po lahat ng tables. Then yung mga chairs, yung mga equipment na ginagamit. Then sa pest control naman, twice a month po siya ginagawa, si pest control po. As in lahat po ng kasulok-sulukan dyan is na po ng pest control. Bali, dalawa po ang pest control namin dito. Si Pesaway at si Banks. Pinakilala ko na. Hindi na makilala na sa Lyceum eh.
And next naman po ay, how does the restaurant ensure the facility design and maintenance contribute to the food safety standards? Are there regular inspection or maintenance scheduled in the place po?
Actually, sa ganyang naman syempre, ina-ensure nga talaga namin yung quality ng food, Then, about sa service naman is binibigyan namin ng good service yung mga guests namin. Then, about sa facility naman, nami-maintain naman ng store yung mga bagay na may yung mga replacement or mga refurbished din. Okay. Asap na okay naman si store namin.
Mabuhay po, I'm Mary Rodalyn Quezon from Clash 1-1. And this is the question po about employee training on food safety. What measures are taken to train and educate staff members regarding food safety practices, and how frequently our training programs conducted po?
For the naman sa yung safety practices, syempre may yung staff naman namin nag-undergo naman sila talaga ng training. May tinatawag kasi kami yung training store sa may Manila po siya. Doon lahat tinuturo yung mga safety procedures na Then, ina-apply na rin po nila dito pagdating sa store po mismo nila.
And about temperature control measure naman po. Can you describe how the restaurant monitors and maintains proper temperature control for food storage and preparation po?
Yung restaurant monitor ng temperature naman, siyempre, pag frozen is frozen. Then, once na kami, every night nagtotoo kami para for the ready ng operation tomorrow. Then, ang mga managers kasi dito, always opening, chinecheck yung lahat ng temperature, chillers, freezer, para ma-maintain namin kung may diferensya ba mga equipment namin.
Thank you po.